Hello, thanks for the time is given to me, and before I continue, let me introduce myself. My name is Donata Dewi Butindia. For this time, I would like to explain to you about English debate. For the first, we must know what the meaning of debate. Debate is an activity of arguing between two or more people in discuss or exchange of opinion on a matter by giving each other reasons to defend each other's opinion. Next, we are going to learn about the purpose of English debate. The purpose of English debate for the first is trying mentally or the courage to express their opinions in public. The second is practice breaking the opinions of English debate opponents. Third is to improve the ability to respond a problem. And then to be critical of a contentious material. And the last is to establish understanding of the concept of the material being debated. Now we are going to learn about the characteristic of English debate. The characteristic of English debate for the first is having two different points of view, namely affirmative and negative or pro and contra. The second is there the process of maintaining opinions between the two parties. And the last is there the existence of conflicting arguments for the purpose to obtaining the victory. Now we are going to learn about the elements of English debate. The elements of English debate is for the first is positive theme or affirmative theme. Positive theme is the themes that support or agree with the topic of the debate. And the last is negative theme or opposition theme. Negative theme is a themes that oppose the topic or disagree with the topic. Now let's continue about aspect of English debate. The aspect of English debate for the first is theme or title. Theme is a problem or issue that will discuss or develop in the debate. The second is moderator. Moderator is a guide or to leader the debate. And then participant. Participant is a person who take a role and is directly involved contributing idea in debate forum. Debate participant can be individuals or groups. And then listeners. Listener is a person that present and follow the debate. And the last is the time of debate. The time is the time to help the debate, place and all needed. Now we are going to learn about English debate structure. For the first is introduction. In this structure, each team, affirmative team and negative team, introduce themselves. The second is submission of arguments. In submitting this argument, each team submits an argument on a topic that starts from affirmative team and then negative team. The third is debate. At the debate, each team comment on each argument from the other team. The last is conclusion. At the conclusion, the moderator concludes the result of the debate of affirmative team and negative team. Ladies and gentlemen, we must know the procedure of English debate. There are the procedure of English debate. First, question or challenge should be raised in a professional manner, not insulting an opponent, not demeaning an opponent, or commenting that personal attacks are unacceptable. Second, critical analysis, synthesis, rhetorical skills are not stammer. 3. Focus on the opponent's position or the opponent's argument. We must know the strengths that are important in logical error strategies and use them effectively in denying the opponent's arguments. 4. The limits on expressing an argument is their points. 5. Using logic in compiling and conveying arguments or statements. 6. Know common mistakes in thinking like logical errors and use them effectively in refuting opponents' arguments. 7. Present content or material accurately. Always use content data or facts related to and supporting views. 8. Ensure the validity of all external evidence present in the argument. And the last is the conclusion in the debate is the final conclusion. Use it as an opportunity to deny or corner your opponent. Okay, my friends, that's all for my explanation about English debate. Thank you for your attention. Bye.